Baby bus!
Let's go, Sheriff! Labrador!
A new maintenance technician at the amusement park. Part 3. Bbop the Weasel broke into a sweat when Sheriff Labrador began asking him questions.
Not a thing! There was nothing wrong! No problems with the rides!
No problems?
No! Yes, there are problems. The rides are just so old that they often break down. Oh, time's up. Sheriff Labrador and Mr. Lyons, I gotta go to work. Bye!
Bbop sped out of the office in a flash.
Hey now! Why is BeepBob running away so fast? You would think he saw a spider or something.
Sheriff Labrador frowned as he watched Bbop leave.
If there is nothing wrong with the rides themselves, then the problems might have something to do with the new maintenance technician. Mr. Lyons, one of my friends, a giraffe, is an engineer. I can ask him to do a complete inspection of the rides here to see if they are aging, if you would like me to.
After the amusement park closed the next day, Sheriff Labrador led his engineer friend around the park and carefully checked every ride to make sure they were still working properly. For the next few days, no accidents occurred at the amusement park, and neither Sheriff Labrador nor Officer Doberman showed up there. But on this day, a thin figure crept into the equipment room of the Red Baron ride. He was none other than Bbop the Weasel. He stood there, clanging on the amusement ride with a tool.
It won't be long before Lyons agrees to let me invent something more amazing. Then my dream of becoming a great inventor will come true.
After a few minutes, Bbop hurried out of the equipment room, not noticing a pair of dark, round eyes watching him the whole time. After Bbop left, two animals dressed as cleaners stepped out from behind a window.
Hey now, Lab, there's something amiss with BeepBob. Your engineer friend checked the Red Baron ride and found nothing wrong, but BeepBob just stayed in the equipment room for a long time. Who knows what he was doing in there?
The two animals disguised as cleaners were Sheriff Labrador and Officer Doberman. They were conducting an undercover investigation into the recent string of incidents at the amusement park. Bbop hung around the Red Baron ride and held his head high in anticipation of another ride malfunction after the amusement park opened for business the next day. However, nothing happened all day. Not content, Bbop tiptoed into the equipment room again and pulled out a small part from his pants pocket.
Huh? Strange. I find it very strange. I removed that turnbuckle from the Red Baron ride. Yeah, that's it right there. The ride shouldn't have worked, but...
Just when he was about to start up the equipment to take a closer look, Bbop heard a familiar voice behind him.
Oh? Why are you so sure that the ride would not work?
In horror, Bbop instantly broke out in goosebumps all over. Then he turned his head to look.
Sheriff Labrador and Officer Doberman?